Have you ever wondered about the true impact of Obamacare on healthcare costs? It's a topic that has sparked many debates, and today we're diving into it. Our focus is an article from MSN titled, "Did Obamacare massively increase the cost of healthcare?" A compelling question that we shall dissect today. The Affordable Care Act, more commonly known as Obamacare, was signed into law in March of 2010. Its primary goals were to decrease the number of uninsured Americans and reduce the overall costs of healthcare. The article begins by addressing a common belief that Obamacare significantly increased healthcare costs. However, the reality is far more complex. Obamacare did introduce several changes that influenced healthcare costs, but attributing a massive increase to it alone oversimplifies the matter. One of the significant changes Obamacare introduced was the requirement for insurance companies to cover 10 essential health benefits. These include maternity and newborn care, mental health services, and prescription drugs. While this expanded coverage led to increased costs for some, it also meant more comprehensive insurance for many Americans. Moreover, Obamacare implemented a policy where insurance companies could not deny coverage or charge higher premiums based on pre-existing conditions. This change was a double-edged sword. While it protected many individuals from being denied coverage, it also led to higher costs for insurance companies, which were then passed on to consumers. The article also points out that while premiums for private insurance have indeed risen since the implementation of Obamacare, they were already on an upward trend before the law was enacted. Thus, it's difficult to determine how much of the increase can be directly attributed to Obamacare. In conclusion, the impact of Obamacare on healthcare costs is a nuanced issue. It's not as simple as saying Obamacare massively increased costs. Yes, certain aspects of the law may have led to higher costs for some, but it also expanded coverage and protections for many others. In essence, Obamacare represents a significant shift in American healthcare, changing how insurance works and who it covers. Its impact on healthcare costs is complex and multifaceted, influenced by a multitude of factors beyond the law itself. So, did Obamacare massively increase the cost of healthcare? Former Louisiana Governor Bobby Jindal, R., says, Obamacare was sold on a lie. It massively increased the cost of healthcare in America. But the answer isn't a simple yes or no. It's a topic that requires a deep dive into the intricacies of the healthcare system, the insurance industry, and the law itself. So, what are your thoughts on this complex issue? Do you believe Obamacare had a significant impact on the cost of healthcare? Please share your insights and opinions in the comments section below. Your perspective is invaluable in this ongoing discussion. Remember, understanding these complex issues is the first step towards meaningful change. So, stay informed, stay engaged, and let's keep the conversation going. And don't forget to subscribe to our Flash Trends channel for more updates.